data and enumerating data is something that hasn't really been something I've worked with previously, and the Data Skill Lab is really helping me kind of add a very new layer to how I see the world, how I approach urban spaces, built spaces, etc. The Data Skill Lab is really helping us not just visualize data, which I was already a little familiar with as an architect in visualizing things, but to just read through data, to kind of understand how to comprehend the different numbers and what that represents, and beyond that to find patterns and correlations between different data points, and how that further gives us a very new layer to kind of look at spaces and design and just the way humans use spaces in general.
I have this thing where in my head research is more like me telling a story of different emotions. I'm actually someone who likes to work with qualitative. Tell your story, but use these data as a proof for your story.
Things that I've learned from Data Skill Lab will actually come in handy when I am going out in the field and collecting raw data from there, and to see it in a bigger context, I need the demographic profile of that area as well. The census data will help me a lot to sort of do the profiling of who lives in what area and what are the jobs. Actually, this is a data set that we already worked on, so it helped us a lot.